Hi! So now I have a new doll. It is my birthday. Hi. So we got Draculaura. Skultimate Secrets, Garden Mysteries. I got this one because the drawing of her looked really, really pretty. I just really liked the outfit and the makeup looked pretty and I had to get my hands on it. But I didn't know it was gonna be this difficult to get her out of the box. So you have to bear with me. This is gonna be interesting. Here's the bag. There's different ones. I think this is Venus. I might be wrong. And here's Twyla. I love this art design as well. So let's see how this goes. And I could see her right here. It looks like she's in jail, so we must free her from jail. So let's get this out. I'll see you in a minute. Got the cardboard off. It wasn't that hard, and now we have this. So here's the key. So pretty. I think this is a key. Yeah, that's a key. And then here's, oh my goodness, so much. Woo! Here's the instructions, which I'm gonna have to read. Yay me. Goodness. I have to cut the paper or cut my finger. That would hurt. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is gonna be fun. I'll see y'all in a minute. I got one of the doors open. Ooh. This feels like a pet. Is it, what's her pet name? Count Fabulous, I think? Oh, am I wrong? It's one of like her potions. Oh, that's cute. Focus. It's like making a heart. Or is that just coffee? I think your coffee just did that. What's this? Oh, it's just like a doll stand? Oh, that's cute. I don't know what the heck this is. What? There's something else in there. Hangers. Interesting. There's the little Monster High logo. Interesting. Next one. Hopefully this bag's not weird. This one feels... There's a lot in here. This bag is gorgeous. Whatever. Trying to get you. Get back here. Oh wow. Is that? Whoa! Whoa. What is this supposed to be? Is it there? Nope. Oh goodness. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, I feel another bag. Oh, is this her purse? Oh, I want a purse like that. So cute. Is that it? Oh, there's something else. Oh, can I just break it? Oh, they're earrings. I dropped one. But they're earrings. They're so, like, clear. Focus. There we go. Yay. Look how tiny and so cute. They're pretty. Are they like... Ooh, I dropped it. I don't know what it went, but it's like wings. Ignore my crusty nails, please. I know they're ugly. I don't know where the other one went. I'll find it. Got the other one open. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Am I doing this wrong? I'm probably gonna get a comment saying I'm doing this wrong. This is my first time doing these Skultimate secrets. I got it because the bag is gorgeous, guys. This bag is huge. Look how the bags were before. This one feels like clothes. Where did my scissors go? There they are. This one's so huge. It's like I can really put it in the camera. Didn't even cut it all the way. Why am I nervous? Oh, clothes. What's this? Is this a... Oh, it's like a little corset top thing, right? She's not wearing that on the photo, on the cardboard. Is she? No, she's not. And this skirt. She's not wearing that on the cardboard either. So soft. Okay. Is there anything else in here? More clothes. Are these pants? No, it's a shirt. She's wearing this on the cover. Anything else in here? I feel a bag. Shoes! Sorry. I'll be quiet. She's not wearing these on the cardboard box. But they're so cute. Slay. Those of them. Anything else? Nope. Next bag. Stuck. I feel like I might have broken whatever. Oh. Okay, we're back to the tiny bags. Is that our only humongous bag? Probably. Okay. Oh. I took a peek. Cupcakes! I didn't have any cupcakes for my birthday, guys. No, I want some. Does that one have fangs? That is adorable. What's this? Okay. What is this? I don't get it. Oh, cool. Guys, I don't get it. What is this? How am I supposed to get the doll out of the box? I'll find something. You guys, I found the way to get her out. Oh my goodness! My Draculaura screaming is just... Y'all know how much I love her. I mean, my channel is all about her. Look at her! Look at this child. I need to get her out. I need to... One moment, please. I finally got her out. She's so cute. Look at my child. I do think her skin looks a little bit different. Because it doesn't look like Draculaura, like the other one. Hold on. Okay, so I got the other one to compare her. And I don't actually, like, hold on. I'm gonna pull her sleeve up so y'all understand what I mean by the skin looks so different. Look at this. I mean, it might be the camera because they just look different to me. Yes, I painted her nails on this one because in the show, her nails are actually painted black. Almost everyone's is, but look at this. Doesn't it look kind of different? It's probably just me. I'm gonna put the other accessories on her so you can see what it looks like. I finally got her into her new clothes. I realized I was doing a lot of things wrong. And so yeah, this is how she's supposed to look, as according to the box. That's how she's supposed to look. If you can tell the difference. I was able to find the other pair of earrings, by the way, in case anyone was curious. I'm pretty sure I did all of this wrong, though. Probably. If I did, please tell me. Just keep it calm. Just don't be mad, because this is my first time using one of these key collector things. I've seen them all the time. I've never gotten my hands on them, but I got my hands on this one because, again, she is so gorgeous from, like, all these arts that I've been seeing. So I got her. Here she is. She's so pretty. I love her so much. So, yep, this is the video. It's a long video. Glad you stick around. Or you probably didn't. I don't know. Bye!